Hi guys, and welcome to my channel Draft Project. In this video, I will show you how to remove the wiper cowl of this Toyota Corolla AE100, AE101, or E100. Before you watch this video, subscribe now. In order to remove the wiper cowl, start by lowering the hood and loosen all screws. This is how the screw looks like. Remove all 5 screws. Keep it in a safe container. Next, you can use anything to pry the cover of the wiper arm mounting. Then loosen the nut using a 12mm wrench. Open the hood and remove the other one. Actually, you can just pull it by your fingers. Then loosen the nut of the wiper arm. Lower the hood again and you can start pulling the wiper arm. Now this wiper cowl is held up by 6 plastic clips. Loosen the plastic screw in order to pull the whole clip. This is how the clips looks like. There's a missing clip, the reason why it only has 5 clips. Now the last thing to do is to lift and remove the wiper cowl. Just be careful not to break the wiper cowl. And there we have successfully removed the wiper cowl. I remove it because the owner of this car wants to install a 3-point strut bar, which is uploaded in another video. Just click the link on the screen to watch that video. I hope you find this video helpful. Subscribe now for more videos, and please don't forget to hit like and click the notification bell to keep you guys updated whenever I release a new video. Thank you very much and God bless.